Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add margin to a image in Elementor, right? As you can see on my screen right now, I'm editing the web page of my website using Elementor, and here we are going to create a section first. And for creating a section we need to click on the plus icon in the middle of the screen, right? And here it is just asking us which layout we want, whether we want flexbox or whether we want grid. So I'm going to select the grid over here. You can select any of them as per your convenience, as per your requirement, right? And here in the structure we are just selecting the 2-column 1-row element, right? And here, for example, in this particular container I'm just going to add an image, right? So for adding an image we just need to move our cursor on the black header line in the top, and we need to click on add element, and here in the widget you need to search for image, right? Simply dragged and drop this image widget in the first column, right? And now we can simply choose an image from the media library. So I have chosen this image and clicked on select. Okay, the image is added over there, right? Now we just want to increase or decrease the margin of this image, right? Then for that you need to move your cursor over the image and you will find a pen icon in the top right corner of that particular widget or element, right? You need to click on that pen icon, and then in the left side toolbar there are again three settings: content setting, style setting, and advanced setting. You need to move to the advanced setting, and in the layout, as you can see, there are two options: margin and padding, right? We have already discussed about the difference between margin and padding. If you don't know, you can simply visit our YouTube channel and check out the playlist, right? We have created a dedicated video on it. Now coming to the margin, right, there are four values: top, right, bottom, and left, right? And right now these all values are linked, right? So you need to delink these values first, and for delinking you can simply click on delink button. Else what would happen, if you increase the top margin, then right, bottom, and left margin would also increase simultaneously because all values are linked. So I have simply clicked on the delink button, and now I am going to increase the margin of the top, right? And as you can see, the image is moving downwards, right? And if I decrease the margin of the top, then image is moving upwards, and it will overlap with other elements as well, right? Because margin create spaces outside the element, right? So this is how you can add margin in your image in the Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.